On this occasion, I have appealed to the Honorable Finance Minister to look into this concern of our industry. At least natural gas and ATF. In India, aviation industry is emerging and growing in a double-digit, moving towards double-digit growth. And natural gas, where Prime Minister is very conscious about to provide cheap and clean energy to all its citizens. Through our CGD initiative, we are going to cover 70% of Indian population. Looking into that, we have appealed to the Honorable Finance Minister, at least ATF and natural gas should come in the ambit of GST